यह बहुत मजेदार था। It was so fun. It was so fun. सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा। Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. मुझे भूख लगी है। I am hungry. I am hungry. यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं है। This is beyond me. This is beyond me. दरवाजा कौन खटखटा रहा है? Who is knocking on the door? Who is knocking on the door? मुझे यह खरीदना है। I want to buy this. I want to buy this. क्या तुम नाश्ते से पहले नहाते हो? Do you take a bath before breakfast? Do you take a bath before breakfast? तुम अगर चाहो तो मैं मदद कर सकता हूँ। I can help you if you want. I can help you if you want. मेरा भाई देर से सोता है। My brother sleeps late. My brother sleeps late. तुमने जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? Why didn't you answer? Why didn't you answer? यह ट्रेन कहाँ जाती है? Where does this train go? Where does this train go? यह काम बहुत जरूरी है। This work is very important. This work is very important. मुझे यह रास्ता नहीं पता। I don't know this way. I don't know this way. वह बहुत भावुक हो गया। He became very emotional. He became very emotional. मुझे एक सलाह चाहिए। I need some advice. I need some advice. हमने एक साथ स्कूल में पढ़ाई की थी। We did study together in school. We did study together in school. यह बेहतर होगा अगर हम जल्दी निकलते हैं। It will be better if we leave early. It will be better if we leave early. वह हाथ पर हाथ धरे बैठा था। He was sitting idle. He was sitting idle. वह झूठ बोल रहा है। He is lying. He is lying. उसने आग में घी डालने का काम किया। He added fuel to the fire. He added fuel to the fire. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा है। I trust you. I trust you. हमने यह फिल्म पहले देखी है। We have seen this movie before. We have seen this movie before. मुझे स्टेशन जाना है। I need to go to the station. I need to go to the station. क्या तुम मेरे लिए कुछ लाए हो? Did you bring something for me? Did you bring something for me? मुझे उस पर दया आ रही थी। I felt pity for him. I felt pity for him. वह हर किसी की मदद करता है। He helps everyone. He helps everyone. मैंने उसे मना कर दिया था। I had refused him. I had refused him. हम सबको एक साथ काम करना होगा। We all need to work together. We all need to work together. मैंने कल तुम्हें कॉल किया था. I called you yesterday. I called you yesterday. मैंने तुम्हारी बात मान ली. I accepted your suggestion. I accepted your suggestion. तुमसे एक बात कहनी है. I need to tell you something. I need to tell you something. वह अपने काम में बहुत अच्छा है. He is very good at his work. He is very good at his work. मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं किया. I never did that. I never did that. हम जल्द ही शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे. We will move soon. We will move soon. वह पहले जैसा नहीं रहा. He is not like before anymore. He is not like before anymore. मैं सुबह योग करता हूँ. I do yoga in the morning. I do yoga in the morning. मैं रोज रात को किताब पढ़ता हूँ. I read a book every night. I read a book every night. वह बातों का पक्का है. He keeps his word. He keeps his word. मुझे एक गाइड की जरूरत है. I need a guide. I need a guide. मुझे यकीन है कि वह आएगा. I'm sure he will come. I'm sure he will come. क्या आप थोड़ी देर रुक सकते हैं? Can you wait for a while? Can you wait for a while? मैं डर गया था. I got scared. I got scared. मैं हर शुक्रवार को मंदिर जाता हूँ. I go to the temple every Friday. I go to the temple every Friday. आप किस होटल में ठहरे हैं? Which hotel are you staying at? Which hotel are you staying at? ट्रैफिक बहुत ज्यादा है. The traffic is too much. The traffic is too much. मुझे उसकी बातें अच्छी लगीं. I liked what he said. I liked what he said. काश मैं वहां होता. I wish I were there. I wish I were there. मुझे इस बात का दुख है. I regret this. I regret this. अगर तुम पहले बताते तो मैं रुक जाता. If you had told me earlier, I would have stayed. If you had told me earlier, I would have stayed. अगर वह बुलाएगा तो मैं जरूर जाऊंगा. If he calls, I will definitely go. If he calls, I will definitely go. स्टेशन यहां से कितना दूर है? How far is the station from here? How far is the station from here? मुझे सांप सूंघ गया था. I was completely speechless. I was completely speechless. उसने हर दिन अभ्यास किया. He practiced every day. He practiced every day. अगर तुम मेहनत करोगे तो सफल हो जाओगे. If you work hard, you will succeed. If you work hard, you will succeed. हम अक्सर पार्क में टहलते हैं। We often walk in the park. We often walk in the park. अगर मुझे समय मिला तो मैं तुम्हारे घर आऊंगा। If I get time, I'll come to your house. If I get time, I'll come to your house. तुमने यह कहां से खरीदा? Where did you buy this from? Where did you buy this from? अगर वह सच कहता तो मैं उस पर भरोसा करता। If he had told me the truth, I would have trusted him. If he had told me the truth, I would have trusted him.